Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes 8th class. We are reading chapter 1st Introduction to Computers, Networking, Operating System. In this, we already finished what is network, what is the advantage of networking, what is the required hardware of networking. So, now in today's class, I am going to tell you what is the network topology. Network topology means how to create networking. It is the path. It is the physical connection between the computers. Network topology. The art of connecting different computers in a network is known as topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which the nodes, computer or other devices that need to communicate of a network are linked together. It determines the data path which may be used between any pair of nodes in the network. There are four basic topologies: star topology, ring topology, bus topology and mesh topology. I already told you network topology means physical connection between computers, how they are established in the office, in lab, in organizations. How we created them means how to connect two or more computers through the cables. This is known as network topology. In this, we have first topology is star topology. In a star topology, all the nodes are connected to a central system called switch, which forward data towards its final destination. The switch control the communication on the network. It means it is connected by a switch. It is between the whole computers. If we transfer any data, then switch control the data. This is the way of star topology. Everything controlled by the switch. If switch is not working, then this topology is not working. Advantage of star topology: it has minimum line cost. We don't have too much line. Line means wires. If any of the local computer fails, the remaining portion of the network remains unaffected. If any computer is failed, then another computer is not affected. Disadvantage: the system closely depends on the central switch. If it fails, the entire network goes down. I already told you, if switch is not working, the entire networking is not working. Next, ring topology. In a ring topology, the nodes are connected in a closed loop so that each device is connected to other devices, one or either side. The computer in a ring topology are connected in the shape of closed ring. Data travels only in one direction in a ring. Each computer passes the data to the next one on the line automatically. I want to show you. This is the ring topology. In this, every computer sends the data to another computer. They receive, send, receive, send. If any one computer is not working, then this networking will not pass the data. Advantage of ring topology: it works well where there is no central computer system. I already told you, in this we don't have central computer system. It is more reliable than star topology, because in star topology its switch is down, then that's not working. Disadvantage: it requires more complicated control softwares. It requires more complicated control software because it is situated only on software. Failure of one node result in the failure of the entire network. I already told you, if any one computer is stopped, then it will not pass the data and it will not receive the data. Next, bus topology. It is the easiest topology in the topology. In a bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a central cable called bus. In bus topology, a bus is a single continuous cable. Transmission from any node travel the length of the bus in both direction can be received by all other nodes in the network. The bus has terminators at other end which absorb the signal, removing it from the bus. In bus topology, all computers are situated only on a single wire. We have only a single wire, like our home electricity switches. We have a single wire, and after that we create a switch board. If our wiring is not working, then our electronic devices is not working. In bus topology, we have start point and end point. First computer is start and last computer is end point. This is our bus topology. In this, all computers are situated only on a single wire. Advantage of bus topology, it is quite easy to set up. I already said it is very easy. Failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network. I said no problem if any computer is not working, because it is not dependent on another computer. Disadvantage of bus topology, it offer limited flexibility for change. We can't change it too much. A signal on the bus must be strong enough to reach the receiver, because so many computers situated only on a single wire. If we have 50 computers, then we require a high network to go in the last mesh topology. In a mesh topology, all the nodes are interconnected with one another, which allow each node to have a direct connection with all other nodes in the network. We already seen switch topology. In this, a hub is connected and control the all computers. In this, if any computer is not working, then no problem, it will survive through another topology like this. It is controlled by each others. Advantage of mesh topology, failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network, because no one computer is depend on another. Communication is very fast between any two nodes. They can transfer directly. Changes in the network can be done easily without interrupting other nodes. If you want to remove a computer, you can remove it. Disadvantage of mesh topology, it is the most expensive network as there are many redundant connections. Yeah, we require a high capacity software and so many devices. Maintenance of this network is very difficult. Yeah, this is critical. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.